Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send a contact request on the Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the interface. You'll notice 3 dotted lines there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal your navigation options. From the menu that appears, tap on Contacts. This section is where you manage all your Zoom connections and can reach out to new people you want to connect with on the platform. It's essentially your networking hub within Zoom, allowing you to build and maintain your professional or personal network. Now, once you're in the Contacts section, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see another 3 dotted lines icon there. Tap on it to open additional options, and from the menu that appears, tap on Invite New Contact. This is the feature that allows you to send connection requests to people who aren't already in your contact list, making it easy to expand your network. Next, you'll see a field where you need to enter the person's email address. This is how Zoom identifies who you want to connect with, so make sure you enter the correct email address that the person uses for their Zoom account. Type it in carefully to avoid any errors that might prevent your invitation from reaching the right person. After entering the email address, tap Add. This will prepare your invitation to be sent to that person. The system will process your request and queue it for delivery. Finally, tap OK to confirm and send your invitation. At this point, your contact request is officially on its way. The person you've invited will receive your invitation in their Zoom app and can choose to accept it. Once they accept, you'll be able to see them in your contacts list, making it much easier to start instant meetings, send messages, or collaborate with them directly through Zoom. And that's it. You've successfully sent a contact request on the Zoom app, expanding your network and making it easier to connect with colleagues, friends, or business contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.